Run the rule upon purchase. Hi guys, my name is Yuliia Zatsarynna. In this video you will learn how to set up a rule when a purchase is made inside a chatbot. Like and subscribe to our channel. Let's imagine that we have an online course and after payments we need to send a link to the video. It could also be on an online shop with a chatbot where after purchasing a specific product we send a message about successful payment. Let's consider both scenarios. The first, we need to create the product itself. Go our section the products here and create our first product. Create. Here it is name your category. It's for example rule to pay. It is name your products. The first we call it products. The price is for example 2. You can choose different current. I left for example euro. Add. And next products is for example some shop products. It's cosmetic. Its price 5 euro and add. Here we need to choose payment system. The first step, you need to add this payment system. I add payment system earlier. I choose this, for example Stripe, and click the button save. Now go our main console and menu Smart Messenger. We create our funnel. Click the menu funnel and create funnel. For example, it is same name, rule, pay. And continue. This is our technical step. It is first step. Here we choose channel which working our chatbots. I leave all of this. Clicking this in this block disappear. Add the send a message, the first message. Here I add some description of our course plus text and text description course and add the button. It's button buy, for example. Allows activation of this button several times, and here I choose to checkout. This I select my products when I created few minutes earlier. Clicking here in this rule pay, it is my category, and here I have two products. It's one, this my products, it is for online course, for example, and save. And my next, it is some online shop with cosmetics. It is similar logic. Cosmetic products and the some product. Buy this product. Checkout and rule pay, and it's our cosmetic products, and create. Save. Oh, sorry. Change here text. Okay. We have two different products. Here it is online course and here it is some online shop. But logic it is similar. It is only on an example. And you can download and install various ready-made funnel templates on your main website. If you go here, help, choose templates. Here you can choose free templates for online business, or it is online shop or different another business's idea. Back for our funnel. Okay guys, I connect my first step with the first message. We're testing this funnel. It is only, for example, the second. In order to activate the rule and send a message, create the message itself. The first, create a message for the course purchase. Thank you for your payments. I add this message. This message our user will receive after purchase for this course. Clicking add a text. Thank you for your payments. Here's the link for your course, and you can add some link, for example. I copy this link and save. Okay, and our second for cosmetics shop, I create a text. Thank you for the payments. Please provide the delivery address below. And clicking here add the first block. It is text. Thank you for the payment. And second block, it is block when user writes some text. And I save this text, for example, custom field. I choose now some custom field, again there. Okay, maybe address. No, I don't have this. I need to create this custom field first, address. Back on the console, variables, and create for some, for example, it is address. And it is type string and continue. Come back our funnel. Here, text, I choose the custom field address. Well done. When user writing our address, this address save on this custom field address. Okay? Then user receives this message. We need to add a trigger. How it's work trigger, you can see our another video. Trigger 1, and name these triggers. For example, cosmetic payments, and another trigger, it is course payment. Okay. How it is working, we preview for this funnel. The first step, we need to publish and make a rule. Go to console, rules, and create the new rules. Create name, for example, it is course payment, continue, activate it. This, we choose our trigger. Our trigger, it is when user purchasing for our product. Click here, choose a trigger, and we choose a purchase. Continue. We have a rule pay, it is our category, and we have two products. Products name and next name, it is cosmetic. The first, it is products, and continue, and perform this action any number of the time, or you can choose only once per user. I leave this any number of time. This I choose my trigger. Fire event, continue, and name my triggers. It is same name when we write in our funnel. Course payment, and continue. What is happen? If user buy your products into your chatbot and send you money, activating these rules, he will receive a message for this trigger. Okay guys, let's test the funnel. Console, Smart Messenger, open, funnels, rule pay our funnels and preview. Select the channel, for example, I choose some Telegram channel and continue. Click the button star. In here, course description and icon to buy. Click in the button buy, open, and now I see the name category, name products and how much. It is only test for me because I connect in this payment systems only the test. Okay guys, go to the Smart Center again. And next rule, it is for a product. Create. It is really similar logic. Continue. Activated. Cosmetics payments. Trigger, it is some purchase. Continue. I choose my cosmetic product for my online shop. Its category rule pay. The name cosmetic. And continue. And activation the trigger. Choose here fire event, continue, name this event. It is same than our funnel. Continue. If I come back to our funnel, it is trigger same, cosmetic payments. Okay. If I change now my first step, for example, I click in here preview, I receive another message. Okay, and start. Cosmetic products, buy, open, and it is another product. Come back on Smart Center. Okay guys, if I don't want a make payment now, but I need the test this funnel, I will add another condition to trigger it. I will add the tag purchase. Go our rule, and for example, I testing for this course payment and I add some tag, new tag. Here. Tag applied, continue. It is, for example, tag purchase, and create the first tag, name tag purchase 1, for example, and continue. Choose this tag and continue. Now I want to test how it is working my funnel. It is two conditions. The first condition, if the user pay, we fire event, or if the user assigned a tag, we fire event same. It is both activation. We now testing only for this. Console, go to our live chat, and I add this tag for me. Click in here, add the tag, and purchase 1, continue. And now I receive message. Thank you for the payment. Here the links to the course and link for some course. It is only when you want testing how it is working your funnel, how it is fire event. So today you learn how to create and launch a rule after purchasing a product or a different services. Like and subscribe to our channel to not miss a new video on building effective funnels on Smart Center. See you soon, guys.